Hey guys, welcome back to the road study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you customize iOS 18 control center. So simply guys, first of all you may just open the settings, and guys you make sure that you have latest iOS 18 version, or you may update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version from here. Then guys you may go back and you may click here, and guys you may show your control center here. So if control center is not showing, then you may click here on settings again, and you may scroll it down and click on control center, and you may turn this on. Then guys you may go back and click here again, and guys you may see your control center. Now guys you may click and hold for some second on this, and now you can add or remove widgets from here, or you may increase or decrease size of your widget. So let's check guys. You can increase this or decrease this, or you can click here and you can remove this, or click here and you may add any other widget from here. So let's check. For example guys, this one you can remove anyone from here, or you may remove all from here, or you can customize according to your choice. Or for example, if you want to remove this, or if you want to add this longer, so you can customize easily from here. So even you can remove all other apps like music, or you may, let's check. So you may also remove this one also. So here you may check, you may also show all your control center, or you may customize according to your choice. So by all these methods guys, you can customize your control center in iOS 18 easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.